I said wait. Just wait.
What you doing, baby?
Dad.
What you doing? Are you gonna sing? Oh, you keep dropping it. You keep dropping it. What happened? Oh, uh-oh. Oh, you dropped it, not me. What do you say? Thank you. Good girl. Oh no, you dropped that on purpose. Forget it. You pick it up. You pick it up. You dropped that on purpose. You dropped that on purpose, Missy. You dropped it on purpose. Don't turn away from me. Zena. Zena. Pick up the pen. Say please. Say please. You gonna try to pick it up with your toes? You try to pick it up with your toes? You pushed it underneath the thing. You're pushing it underneath the... What do you say? Please? Thank you? Thank you.